Sub March 14th, 2025, and this is going to be day 249 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, one of the best way on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things is to basically just make yourself know for sure that you are actually making it on a day-to-day basis. Okay? Because if you don't have a sense of, oh yeah, I'm making it, I'm actually accomplishing my goal on a day-to-day basis, you're gonna begin to question. Okay, you're gonna question your dedication. You're gonna be questioning your consistency. And when you doubting your consistency, doubting your commitment, the probability of you actually not continuing the thing is gonna be higher. Okay, so how do we actually make ourselves know that we are actually making it on a day-to-day basis? I believe that this can be achieved by creating a really clear daily bare minimum. Because here's the thing, if we do not have a clear bare minimum, we are gonna be confused of what is considered to be enough. Okay? You can be doing like 5 hours of studying, 8 hours of studying. You can be doing 8 hours of studying, but still don't feel like enough. But still don't feel like you are doing enough, just because precisely yesterday you did like 9 hours of studying. Okay? So I believe my point here is that using our yesterday solely as the benchmark of what is considered to be enough is not going to be a good indicator, okay? Because yesterday we have different schedule, we have different energy level, okay? And just saying that, oh yeah, you know what, I haven't done enough today just because I only did 8 hours and yesterday I did 9 hours. I'm not doing enough. And yeah, you know what, I'm not really a consistent person, blah 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 blah, and like doubting our own self consistency and just saying like, oh, you know what, like, I'm not going to make it. I keep on decreasing every single day. 2 days ago I did 10 hours of learning, 10 hours of studying, and then yesterday I did 9 hours. Today I only did 8 hours. You know what? I'm just gonna be decreasing on a day-to-day basis. I'm not doing this thing anymore. I'm just gonna be stopping today because yeah, tomorrow I'm just gonna be doing 7, and then the next day I'm just gonna be doing 6, and at some point I'm just gonna stop. But again, notice that just because you did not do as many hours as you did yesterday, that doesn't mean that you are not making it. Because again, you have different schedule, you have different energy level, you have different time. Okay? You have different priorities on a day-to-day level, on a day-to-day basis. Okay? So basically, instead of just basing our sense of, oh yeah, how much is enough doing thing, just basing that thing based on yesterday or result yesterday, why don't we just create a clear daily bare minimum? Okay, so here's the thing, like for example, okay, my daily bare minimum is doing 30 minutes. Okay, I'm not going to go really high, 30 minutes every single day, but I do it really consistently. Okay, but here's the thing. The bare minimum is 30 minutes, meaning that you can do 1 hour, you can do 2 hours, you can do 3 hours, but the bare minimum is 30 minutes. And if some days you can just like do 30 minutes for some reason, maybe you're extremely busy or anything, or maybe like you're extremely tired, you're really tired, you're still gonna be feeling like you're making it, okay? Well, yeah. I set the daily target of doing 30 minutes of studying. I actually did the 30 minutes studying. Well, I'm actually making it today, okay? But, and yes, I mean, like, realistically speaking, please just create a really clear daily bare minimum because we want to achieve the sense of, oh yeah, I'm actually making it on a day to day basis. And by the sense of actually making it on a day to day basis, we are gonna be having the sense of confidence that, hey, yeah, I've been consistently making my own, I've been consistently fulfilling my personal goal, personal daily target today. I've been consistently fulfilling it not only today, but for the past 7 days, but for the past 14 days. And you know what? I'm also going to be making it on day 15th, or on day 16th, on day 17th, and so on and so on. Okay? So basically, we are creating a really clear personal target and a real realistic and achievable one in order to build some sense of confidence inside of us that we can actually stick to that thing, that we are actually proving to ourselves that we are actually serious about that thing. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, by making sure that you're actually doing it. You're actually making it on a day-to-day basis. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Bye bye, thank you, and join our Discord. Bye bye. And yeah, today's March 14th, 2025, and for today's date authenticity post, Meme Czar posted a plankton post last 24 hours. Thank you.